Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips and tricks to make your digital life a breeze. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to transfer money from PayPal to your PayPal debit card in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned PayPal user or just getting started, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring funds in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need a few basics in place. Make sure you have a verified PayPal account and a linked PayPal debit card. If you don't have one yet, head over to the PayPal website or app to get set up. It's quick and free in 2025, with even more secure options like biometric verification. Step 1. Open the PayPal app on your smartphone or log in to the website on your computer. In 2025, PayPal's interface is more intuitive than ever, with AI-powered suggestions to guide you. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Wallet or Balance section. This is usually front and center on the home screen. Next, look for the Transfer Funds option. It might be under a menu icon or directly in your balance overview. Tap or click on it, and you'll see options for where to send your money. Select your PayPal debit card from the list. PayPal now auto-detects linked cards for faster transfers. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check for any fees. In 2025, PayPal has reduced transfer fees for debit cards, but it's always good to confirm. Hit Confirm, and follow any additional security steps, like a fingerprint scan or a quick PIN entry. Once that's done, your money should hit your debit card almost instantly, thanks to PayPal's upgraded instant transfer feature. You can then use it for everyday purchases or ATM withdrawals. If you run into any issues, like an error message, check your account settings or contact PayPal support through their 24/7 chat. And there you have it. Transferring money from PayPal to your debit card in 2025 is simpler and faster than ever. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below. Stay savvy, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.